This is the Sunrise 110-ton dual-cylinder semi-automatic CNC Ironworker. This machine is a dual-cylinder, dual-operator featuring a 16x40 semi-automatic positioning table, triple punch attachment, and 15-inch touchscreen controller. This unit is capable of punching 110 tons and independently operating each of the 3 different size punches. This machine is dual cylinder, which enables you to have 2 operators, one on the dedicated punch cylinder that has vertical movement only, and one operator operating all of the shearing functions. The 4 shearing functions include angle, round and square bar or structural steel, flat bar shear, and a rectangular or V notcher on the end. The angle shear is a 6x6 by ½ inch angle capacity, or 3x3 by 3/8 at a 45-degree true miter cut. All of the Sunrise dual cylinder ironworkers can also have a hydraulic hold down for the angle shear in place of the manual hold down. Integrated guide bars, hold downs, and push-pull pins for blade gap adjustment are all standard on all Sunrise ironworkers. The blades are also multi-sided, allowing you to have 4 sides for each blade. The round and square bar blades are interchangeable with any other structural steel. This version allows up to 6-inch channel capacity, 6-inch I-beam, and on this machine up to 1.75 round or square bar, that's solid bar. Change out time is about 5 minutes between rounded square and another structural shearing. The flat bar on this machine is 24 by 5/8 or 14 by 1. It includes multi-sided blades, and we've added a hydraulic hold down that will clamp the material with hydraulic force that's proportionate to the shearing force. Therefore, even running softer material, the hydraulic hold down will only need to exert enough force to properly hold the material during the shear. Integrated push-pull pins for blade gap adjustment allow you to shear even gauge material all the way up to that 1-inch material. The rectangular copper notcher on this machine is fully guarded, allowing the operator to raise the cover and use the integrated and standard machine flat gauge table. The rectangular notcher can be swapped out for a V notcher. Our CNC table features integrated Mitsubishi ball screws, one for each X and Y axes, as well as linear rails for each X and Y axis that allows the table to remain a 4/1000th of an inch accuracy throughout the entire punching process, regardless of what you're punching. Integrated cable management and ball transfers on the table are all standard and included on all Sunrise semi-automatic tables. An integrated electrical cabinet that is fan cooled, as well as spin-on return line filters, are standard configurations. The cabinet of the Sunrise CNC Ironworkers feature flash-based memory Nexcom computers with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB capabilities. We include battery backups as well as integrated charging stations for powering up and down the machine properly. Even in the event of a full power loss, your data is still saved. The triple punch on this machine features a hydraulic hold down that will clamp the material during the punching process to keep it flat. 3 independently controlled punches allow the operator to choose any of the 3 to use in any location on the material. The middle punch is capable of 1.5 inch capacity, where the side punches are capable of 1 1/16 with a slightly reduced capacity. The touchscreen controller is very intuitive and is as advanced as it needs to be. Sunrise designed the controller from the ground up using the Nexcom interface as well as a Windows embedded software. We're able to control all of the movements, positioning, as well as log in remotely if we need to for technical support for the life of your machine. Integrated modes feature edit mode, execute, manual positioning, and an integrated tool library, as well as setup screens where we can fine-tune the entire machine.